honeybees. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine date night, very easy smoky eye for you. I just focused the tutorial on my eyes, but I will have all the rest of my makeup down below listed for you guys. And this has been a very highly requested eye look for me to do. It's using the Urban Decay Diamond Dog Shadow, Moon Shadow, and that's what is tapped all over on my lid. Every time I wear this, people ask me what is on my eyes. It's super easy, this smoky eye though. It's one of my go-to looks, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. Also, I'm doing this as a collab with a lot of wonderful ladies here on YouTube. Most of them you're probably already subscribed to because I've talked about every single one of them already multiple times on my channel, because I personally watch each and every channel that I'm going to be listing down below that's doing this collab with me, and I've hung out with them and I love them and they're just my girls. And what this collab is all about is a deconstructed Valentine date night. So each one of us took a part of getting ready for the date. So mine is the eyes. Someone else will be doing the perfect lip, someone else will be doing hair, outfit, just everything you can think of getting ready for a date. Each one of us is doing an element of that. So I hope you guys really enjoy this kind of unique collab. Also, what's really exciting is we're giving away a $100 Sephora gift card. So if you would like to win that, there will be a link down below. You just click on it and all the information on how to enter will be at that link. We're trying to make it a little more simplistic. We don't want you to have to comment on everyone's channel and all that jazz. I wanted to make it as simple as possible, so just make sure to check the link down below. So enough about that, let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.
So we're going to start off with a cream shadow base. I'm using a Tarte cream shadow. I'll have all the information listed down below. I use my fingers because I just feel like it really warms up the product and blends it out better. I'm just putting this all over my lid, not really going very much into the crease. It just gives a really pretty base for the smoky eye. Now I'm taking this matte brown shade. It's from the Pulp Fiction palette from Urban Decay, but any matte brown will do that you like to blend for the crease. And I'm using a Sephora brush here. I don't remember any of the numbers, but I'll make sure to list it down below. It's more of like a pointed crease brush. And then I'm using a more detailed Sigma crease brush here. Again, I'll have the number down below to really build that into the crease and make sure it's well blended with the cream shadow. I'm now taking a flat liner brush and dragging that brown color into the bottom lash line and blending it out with a clean crease brush. You could also use a pencil brush to do this. And for the magical step, this is the Diamond Dogs Shadow from Urban Decay. I'll be using my finger again to apply this because I feel like it goes on the best. And just tapping this all over my lid. I also use a crease brush at the end to make sure that everything's nice and clean inside the crease. Now taking the matte cream shade from the Pulp Fiction palette, and I'm going to be putting that in my brow bone for my brow bone highlight, and I also do this at the end to clean up all the edges from the smoky eye and make sure it's nice and soft and blended. Also took the sparkly white shade from the palette and using that in my inner tear duct, and I bring that up a little bit into the smoky eye to make sure everything again is seamless. Lordy, I look so serious about my eyeliner, don't I? This is the IT Cosmetics liner. Again, I'll have the full name down below. I'm just rimming the upper waterline, and also I did my inner rim there, the waterline on bottom, to give this a more smoky effect. I don't always do this, but I think it really brings out the drama when you do this. And also using my Kat Von D Trooper liquid liner for the top. I did not do a cat eye. I've been really liking just getting close to the lash line and giving a little more definition to the lashes. For mascara, I'm using the Hourglass Film Noir mascara and just doing a few coats of that. I also used some lashes from Esquito. I did film putting them on, but it was out of camera. I'm so sorry. But these are the lashes, the Oh So Sweet lashes. And here's the completed look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. I'll be doing more tutorials in the future, and I'll see you again soon.